Let's now go deeper into some challenges, but also opportunities, as you will see, specifically for smaller publishers when we're talking about digital transformation. So these are companies that they are run by the founder or the family. They're mostly independent. This means also that they are mostly intuitively managed. And I think probably the most important hurdle of them all, that there is limited in-house technical experts. So there is a lot of multitasking when we are talking about the smaller publishing houses, and few people are really experts in technical matters. I know, of course, just to note here that there are many different kinds of small or mid-sized publishers. I mean, there are like really small teams of 3 to 5 people to some tens of people. There is a variety, but I'm talking about the general picture here. Budget constraints are obviously true, and I would like especially to highlight the cost structure. The thing is that you have to continue investing in your traditional way of doing things, like doing print books, for example, and distributing to physical bookstores, and then you have also to invest in something digital. And of course, there are limited economies of scale because of the size. Much more legacy systems and legacy workflows. And at the end, it is important to say that this is, again, also about culture. I mean, it is very interesting and very nice, and also I like as a reader that many publishers have this personal touch, this André Cifrin vibes of more idealistic and so on. But there is also a culture of resistance on how we do things, which is particularly a problem because, in a way I have already mentioned, because of the pace of changes. So, in many cases, smaller publishing houses haven't adapted to a previous wave of digital transformation, and then a new wave comes along. So you have to work on many digital projects at the same time. So going to the opportunities, but because these small numbers, this more personal touch has opportunities, and these are the dynamic and personal touch. There is much more flexibility and adaptability. Shifting to younger generation can help things out, and also possibilities for cooperation with other similar-sized publishers. It also can help. You can also adopt open source digital infrastructure, and I would say most importantly, you have the attention and the love and the affinity of the readers, which gives you time and space. But bottom line is, I believe, that digital transformation, it is a chance for smaller publishers to stand out, as digital technologies give wider access to capabilities previously limited to the larger publishers. So a number of barriers to entry have actually lowered.